As a content creator, having a dedicated workspace is crucial to staying consistent and staying productive. You don't need to break the bank in order to create a productive workspace, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you my 2023 desk setup that I use for content creation and gaming, so let's dive in. The foundation of any desk setup is the desk. This desk is composed of 3 parts, all from IKEA. The surface of this desk is an all-black 48-inch kitchen tabletop that cost me about $60. Below it, I have on the left side one set of Alex drawers that cost me about $90 and 2 desk legs that cost about $8 each. The desk is a bit smaller than your average setup that you may see, but even with a small space, it offers storage and functionality to keep everything in order. Next is one of my favorite purchases of my setup that I got from Amazon for about $90, and it's this all-black monitor stand. I really needed to maximize the storage space on my desk with it being so small, and this stand was a perfect addition. It not only lifts up the monitor to help with my posture, but offers storage on top and below it. A sleek, black, and modern look, this stand is a great addition to any setup. The only con that I have with this all-black option is that it smudges really easily and I have to dust it a lot. Next is the monitor itself. This is the 27-inch LG Ultra Gear from Walmart. When I decided to switch from gaming on a 55-inch TV to a monitor, I knew I wanted something that was of good quality but wasn't going to break the bank, and that's when I found this monitor for only $150, which personally is a steal. This monitor is a 165Hz with a 1 ms response time, and what I love about it is that even when I am gaming, it offers different pre-filtered game modes. Now, of course, with any desk setup, you need a chair, and this chair here is a gaming chair that I found on sale at Staples for like $90 during Black Friday. Personally, I regret buying this chair instead of getting a more ergonomic chair. It's not terrible by any means, but it's quite uncomfortable when sitting for long periods of time. Whether I'm creating content or gaming or even doing some work from home, I find myself having to get up often just to stretch my legs because I'm uncomfortable. However, to alleviate some of the uncomfortableness of the chair, I grabbed this simple footrest from Amazon for like $15. I didn't need anything fancy or sleek. I mean, my feet are literally on it every time I'm using my desk, so who cares what it looks like? But it really does help take off some of the pressure of sitting for long periods of time. Now, with any setup, you're going to need some lighting, and with my setup, I have 3 different light sources for my desk. First are the lights behind my monitor. Lighting up the setup are the Govee light bars that I picked up from Amazon for $50. Personally, I was tired of the hassle of the light strips, and I really wanted something that was going to be more sleek, brighter, and would leave less residue on my desk and on my monitor. Next to the left of my monitor is my small lamp. With the desk being so small, I wanted something that would just add a bit of extra light but not take up a ton of space. I picked up this lamp from Amazon for about $30, and it's a touch control lamp that has 2 USB plugs where I can easily charge my device. I love that it matches the all-black theme. It's simple and really offers just an extra bit of light when I don't want to have on my overhead lights. My last light source is the light bar that illuminates my desk. This is the Color Panda monitor light bar from Amazon that cost me about $26, and it is perfect. Everyone that I was watching on YouTube, and even some of the creators that I follow and aspire to be like, had the fancy BenQ light bar, but it really was just overly expensive and I couldn't afford it. And that's where I found this very affordable Color Panda bar option, and it's truly the perfect dupe. Now, powering the whole setup is the 2022 13.6-inch MacBook Air with the M2 chip. I customized this laptop to have more SSD storage than the base model, and with a crisp color display, this laptop is perfect for my part-time content creation and working from home. The reason why I chose the MacBook Air over the MacBook Pro is because I love how light and sleek this one is. It's very easy to throw in my backpack and take with me to work, because it's not super heavy and it doesn't take up a ton of room. Now, taking a look at some of the desktop accessories, I love the look of a felt mouse pad, and this is the Dawn Trees non-slip gray felt desk pad from Amazon, coming in at about $18. I really love the contrast of the light gray and the black, and I was a little suspicious about the quality for the price, but honestly it is better than I expected. Now, I'm a sucker for Logitech accessories, and I use for my keyboard and mouse the Logitech MX Mini and the Logitech MX Master 3S. Both of these items cost about $100 each, but investing in equipment that you know you'll use often is worth spending a little extra money on. I love the keyboard because it's extremely functional and fits the desk space perfectly without taking up too much room. And I love the mouse because of its ergonomic fit. I love how my hand doesn't feel exhausted or cramped after using it for hours. And as a woman, I was pretty skeptical if my hand was going to be too small for it, but it fits perfectly. For the sound of the setup are these $30 Logitech speakers that I got from Best Buy. Personally, I only sometimes use these speakers from when I'm gaming, only when I don't feel like using my headphones, but really I was just looking for an affordable option that was all black and cheap, and these speakers worked perfectly. Now, connecting my monitor to my MacBook Air is this USB-C hub from Amazon that I snagged for about $25. I eventually want to upgrade to the CalDigit dock station, but for right now this little hub works great and I haven't had any issues with connections. Having a dedicated workspace for your content creation is going to help you stay productive and stay consistent. But also remember, you don't need to break the bank right away. Upgrade a little bit at a time and buy things that are functional for you. So if you're interested in any of the products of this video that I shared with you today, I'll leave the links in the description below. And be sure to hit that subscribe button because I'll be doing more videos where I talk about the equipment and tools you'll need if you want to be a content creator. And I'll see you in the next video.